In a world where technology is advancing faster than ever before, there is one name that stands out in the field of AI development. OpenAI. From humble beginnings, this company has become the driving force behind some of the most incredible breakthroughs in artificial intelligence. Today, we are going to take a deep dive into the rise of OpenAI and its flagship creation, ChatGPT. This is the story of AI's biggest breakthrough. Part 1, the early days. OpenAI was founded in 2015 by some of the biggest names in the tech industry, including Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and Greg Brockman. Their goal was to create a non-profit organization that could develop AI technology in a safe and ethical way. In the beginning, the team was small, but they had a big vision. They believed that AI could be the key to solving some of the world's biggest problems. From the start, OpenAI was focused on pushing the boundaries of AI technology. They wanted to create machines that could think and learn like humans, and they were willing to take risks to make it happen. The team experimented with everything from self-driving cars to robotics, but it wasn't until they started working on natural language processing that they had a breakthrough. One of the earliest breakthroughs for OpenAI came in 2017 with the development of the OpenAI Gym, a toolkit for developing and comparing reinforcement learning algorithms. This toolkit helped accelerate the development of advanced AI systems by providing a standard environment for testing and benchmarking new algorithms. OpenAI also made significant contributions to the development of deep learning, a type of machine learning that is particularly well suited for processing large amounts of data. Deep learning has been a key factor in the development of advanced AI systems, including ChatGPT and other language models. Overall, the early days of OpenAI were focused on building a strong research team, developing cutting-edge AI algorithms and infrastructure, and laying the groundwork for the development of advanced AI systems that would ultimately transform the field of AI and change the world. Part 2, Challenges Faced. While the OpenAI team was making progress in their AI research, they were also facing some big challenges. One of the biggest challenges was the ethical implications of AI development. The team recognized that AI could be incredibly powerful, but they also knew that it could be dangerous if it fell into the wrong hands. They made a commitment to ensure that their work was being done in a safe and responsible way. Another challenge that OpenAI faced was the difficulty of creating an AI system that could truly understand human language. It wasn't until they developed ChatGPT that they began to see the potential of what they were working on. But even with ChatGPT, there were still obstacles to overcome. Despite the challenges they faced, the team at OpenAI was determined to make their vision a reality. Part 3, Rise of ChatGPT and other AI tools. One of the most significant breakthroughs to emerge from OpenAI was the development of a new type of neural network called GPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer. The first version of GPT, called GPT-1, was released in 2018 and was quickly followed by GPT-2 in 2019. GPT-2 was notable for its ability to generate coherent, human-like responses to text prompts, even when it was given very little context. But OpenAI wasn't content to stop there. They continued to refine their GPT technology, and in 2020, they released GPT-3, a model with a whopping 175 billion parameters. GPT-3 is a game-changer in the world of AI, with the ability to perform a wide range of language tasks with incredible accuracy and speed. But GPT-3 isn't the only tool in OpenAI's arsenal. The organization has also developed a number of other cutting-edge AI technologies, including DALL-E, a program that can generate images from textual descriptions, and Codex, an AI model that can write computer code based on natural language prompts. But perhaps the most significant AI tool to emerge from OpenAI in recent years has been ChatGPT. ChatGPT was a language processing AI that was capable of understanding and generating human-like text. This technology was developed using the same GPT technology as the language models, but was specifically designed for use in chatbots and virtual assistants. ChatGPT was capable of generating responses to text prompts that were tailored to the context of the conversation, making it a highly effective tool for customer service and other applications. ChatGPT quickly gained popularity among businesses, and is now used by companies around the world to automate customer service, sales, and other tasks. Its success has demonstrated the enormous potential of AI to transform the way we interact with technology and with each other. Overall, the rise of ChatGPT and other AI tools from OpenAI has been nothing short of remarkable. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize entire industries, and to make our lives easier and more efficient. As OpenAI continues to push the boundaries of AI research and development, we can only imagine what other breakthroughs they have in store for us in the future. Part 4, Conclusion. In conclusion, the story of the rise of OpenAI and ChatGPT is a fascinating one that showcases the potential of AI to transform our world. From its humble beginnings as a non-profit research lab, OpenAI has become a leading force in the development of AI tools and technologies. However, the rise of AI also presents significant challenges and ethical concerns, such as the potential for misuse or unintended consequences. The story of OpenAI and ChatGPT is far from over, and we can expect to see many more breakthroughs and advancements in the field of AI in the coming years. As we continue to explore the potential of AI, it is essential to remember that the ultimate goal should be to use these technologies to make our world a better place for all. If you found this video informative and engaging, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. We would love to hear your thoughts and ideas in the comments section below. And don't forget to check out our other related videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.